Assalamu alaikum friend, here is school admission open Facebook cover banner. Here is 4 different format AI and APS for Adobe Illustrator, I think using CorelDRAW, and here is PSD for Photoshop user, Photoshop CS plus and CC plus user. Last is XD. Here is 10 format in AI, next is 10 format in APS, 10 templates in Photoshop, and last is XD. Same thing is here. So you see the design of admission cover. Open admission 2022 online admission. Wow, click here, open in Photoshop. You see in layer area you can change everything. Here is text, here is element, and last is background. You can apply a gradient overlay or any other opacity is here. Okay, we need image, double click image placeholder. We need image like a student, but here is no student. But I import a photo for example, drag there. Oh, we need low resolution photo, 500. Okay, right click, create clipping mask, enter Ctrl S, and you see our photo is here. Or apply any other photo like this. Delete it, right click, create clipping mask, Ctrl S. Wow, here is better. You can write your name, or you can change shape color or dress color, or depend your own choice. Same thing is here, admission 2022. Don't show again. Okay, element, enter. Depend your own choice, you can adjust anywhere, or depend your own image. Same thing is here, write anything, or you can change everything. Same thing is here. Every template have different layers, so you can edit one by one. I hope these cover are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.